Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export and import Outlook address book contacts to CSV file. This is incredibly useful when you need to transfer your contacts between different email accounts, create backups, or share your contact list with colleagues. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Wait for your emails to load completely before moving forward. This ensures that all your data, including contacts, is properly synced and accessible. Once your email has loaded, head to your Contacts menu located on the bottom left part of your screen. You'll see an icon that looks like two people. Click on Contacts to open your address book. This is where all your saved contacts are stored and managed. Now, from the Contacts menu, click on the File tab at the top of the screen. From here, you'll directly see the Open and Export option. Click on it to reveal the export options available. From this menu, click on Import/Export. An import/export wizard will appear on your screen, presenting you with several actions to perform. Since we're looking to import or export using a CSV file, we'll focus on the general options. You'll see import from another program or file and export to a file. The process is similar between these two, so let's start with the export process first. Click on Export to a file, then click on Next. You'll be presented with two options for exporting. You can either export the file using Outlook data or PST file format, or you can use comma-separated values, which is the CSV file. Select comma-separated values and click on Next. Now select the folder you wish to export. This could be emails, contacts, conversations, or calendar entries. Choose the appropriate folder and click on Next. This time you'll be prompted to select a directory folder for this exported file. Click on Browse to set the file location where you want to save your CSV file. Then click on Next. You'll see a confirmation checkbox appear. Click on it to confirm the action, then click on Finish. Your file will now be exported and saved to the location you specified. Give it a moment to complete the export process, especially if you have a large number of contacts. Now for the import process, go back to the File tab and click on Open and Export, then Import/Export. This time, click on Import from another program or file, then click on Next. Select the file type between PST or CSV, choose comma-separated values, then click on Next again. Now you need to locate the file you wish to import. Click on Browse to open a File Explorer window, then select the CSV file you wish to import. Click on it to select it, then click on OK, followed by Next. Set the destination folder on your email where you wish this CSV file to be added. Look for contacts in the list and click on it, then click on Next. For the last step, an action confirmation checkbox will appear. Click on it to confirm that this action is correct. You can verify by checking the CSV file name to make sure it's the one you wanted to import. Once confirmed, click on Finish. Your contacts will now be imported into Outlook. The process may take a few moments depending on how many contacts are in your CSV file, so be patient while Outlook processes the import. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to both export and import your Outlook address book contacts to and from CSV files. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.